Hey, it's Kevin Ryan here at 343 Brooktree Crescent in the heart of Corunna. We have a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2-story home with a beautiful sports pool out back. You gotta come check this out. Step inside to find spacious living areas, elegant finishes, and room to grow with 4 generous sized bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Perfect for a busy family or entertaining guests. The heart of the home features a bright and spacious kitchen with ample counter space and a cozy dining area that brings everyone together. Upstairs, unwinding your large primary suite, complete with a large ensuite bathroom and a huge walk-in closet. Need extra space? The finished basement offers a large rec room, bonus bathroom, and a 4th bedroom with plenty of space to grow. And when summer hits, enjoy your own backyard oasis featuring a sports pool that's perfect for swimming laps, pool parties, or just relaxing in the sun. This is more than a house, it's a lifestyle. 343 Brooktree is your next chapter. It starts here. Imagine your family and friends in this backyard beauty. Call me today for a private showing.